Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to contact WIX support. All right, so first up, under here from your WIX Studio or WIX Studio dashboard, you gotta go to the top, click on Help, and here we have the AI chatbot. So just go ahead and type in "speak with an agent" or "speak with an expert." All right, just go ahead and hit on Enter and wait for it to load. So it will ask you other details about the current issue that you're experiencing. So just go ahead and type down the issue. Let's say, for example, account. All right. Now it says here, "I'll connect you with an expert. Please confirm the topic for personalized support." So just go ahead and select your specific problem here. For example, WIX plans, charges, renewals, and refunds. Okay. Just click on it. Now go ahead and select the site. Okay. Once you have selected the site, a support agent will come to you. And then from there, just go ahead and add in more details if asked. Okay. Another option is just by going to this link. This is the same with the chatbot right here. All right. Just go straight over to wix.com/contact. All right. As you can see here, just make sure to log in with the correct account or your chats will be carried here as well. Just for you to see, I'm going to select this website. And it says here you can also add screenshots, videos, or upload a file if you want to as well by just clicking on this file icon. Or you can just drag and drop and hit on send. And there you have it. That's how you contact WIX support. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.